Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without baking soda. We'll focus on techniques that create a delightful texture. First, ensure your butter is softened, not melted, for optimal creaming. You'll need 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter. This initial step is crucial for incorporating air into your dough, which will provide the necessary lift since we are omitting baking soda. Get ready for some seriously delicious, chewy cookies. Now, let's get that air into our dough. Cream your softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Beat this mixture for a good 3 to 5 minutes until it's noticeably light and fluffy. This extended creaming time is vital for incorporating air. Then, crack in 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing thoroughly after each addition. The eggs add moisture and structure, contributing to that perfect cookie texture. Next, prepare your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Finally, gently fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Whether you prefer milk, dark, or a mix, they'll be delicious. For the best texture, chill your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading. Scoop rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy your perfectly chewy, no baking soda chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.